standard issue patrol vest issued by our department. It's made by Pack Up Body Armor, and when you receive your patrol vest sling, remove it from the packaging, set the male buckle aside, and you'll see the main attachment point, the harness, the two sling retention straps, and the female buckle. What you want to do is turn the vest over on its back side to expose the Velcro. If for some reason you do not have Velcro on your back panel, you will receive this patch panel here. It has a white stitch across the back with instructions on how to sew it to your vest. So where you have the seam at the very bottom of the plate carrier, you will attach the Velcro patch panel to the very bottom of that seam and have a seamstress or somebody with a sewing machine sew it directly to it. That will essentially give you the attachment point for the patrol vest sling. Next, you take the patrol vest sling attachment point with the hook Velcro and you attach it to either the patrol vest sling patch panel or directly to the very back of the patrol vest. You will then run the webbing up to either side of the patrol vest, and you will select one of the sling retention straps. You will unvelcro the elastic, feed it through the sling retention strap, replace the Velcro, do the other elastic, run it through the sling retention strap, and reattach the Velcro. You then take the vest, flip it back over, lay that out, take the male buckle with the hook Velcro, plug it into the female, and put the Velcro onto the front of the Velcro patch panel. Now, these two sling attachments serve as the retention straps to keep the webbing off of your neck. It shall lay flat, and under your shirt you won't even be able to tell it's there. To deploy the sling, you simply come across, you find the buckle on top of your shirt, which will be under your shirt. You'll be able to fill it. You just squeeze the buckle, reach in your shirt, pull the buckle out, hook it into the weapon system. When you're done, rebuckle it in, and you will not even notice it's there. What I have here and I'm about to demonstrate is the patrol vest sling. As you can see, I have a standard basic run-of-the-mill patrol vest on. This would go under the uniform shirt or under a sweatshirt or any other kind of dignitary protection where you're going to wear some body armor but you want it concealed and inconspicuous. We developed the patrol vest sling for those operations where you have an active shooter or you're just on random patrol and excuse me, on routine patrol and you need to deploy the weapon and you don't have time to grab the sling, throw it on. You would have a sling inherently built into the patrol vest. It's lightweight materials. You've got the elastic strap here holding the retention straps, which keeps the webbing off of your neck. The male buckle is hooked to the front of the Velcro and the female buckle hangs in front of you. So, as you can see, I'll put a sweatshirt on and you will not most likely be able to detect it. For dignitary patrol and when I'm wearing my uniform shirt on regular patrol, what this does is allows me to conceal a sling and not throw a sling on over my body, thus pulling off my collar brass or the badge or the buttons, even the radio mic, and interfering with that. This is just a quick way to deploy a sling without actually having to carry one. Lightweight, can't even feel it, you don't even know it's there, and once you deploy it, it provides a viable sling attachment point and supports the weapon system quite nicely. So what I typically do is I find the buckle, and you can find it just by touching it. Squeeze the side release buckle, reach in, pull the sling out, take any various weapon system that you want to hook into and hook into it, which allows for the weapon system to be supported. Now, on patrol, on my utility belt, I actually have these belt loop lanyards. I have one here, and I actually have one over here behind my holster. What this allows me to do is, if need be, if I grab my weapon system and I deploy it and I don't have time to throw a sling on, or I choose not to throw a sling on just because of my uniform shirt and it interferes with all the attachments, the radio and the badge and all that, what this allows me to do is have the single point sling and the ability to sling the front of the weapon system out of the way, so I can articulate my body over a fence or any other obstacle I need to climb, and when need be, I simply deploy the weapon just like that. It's also interchangeable with other weapon systems, such as the Remington 870 shotgun with the universal PRS on it. And even as versatile as to hook up to an AK-47 underfolder for dignitary protection, where you utilize your weapon system, it gets damaged, like standard M4, MP5, it gets damaged or you're out of ammo, and your backup weapon is the standard AK-47 where ammo is abundant. You simply hook into the weapon system with the same exact sling, and you don't have to worry about taking the sling off of your other weapon and put it on this one. Perfect for dignitary operations protection and